G'day, it's Ken from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove a sound system from a Subaru XV. Today the tools you'll need is a plastic spudger and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to spudger it in there, and this whole thing will come out on clips. Now it's held in with an electrical cable for the hazard light and an electrical cable at the bottom. For the purpose of this video, it is much easier to remove the bottom clip and tilt it up. This one here does plug in there. It can be removed, but it's very close to the plastic housing and it makes it very difficult to get that plastic clip unclipped. So you can just leave that one in and unplug that one. That will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws. You'll need to remove those, and then the whole radio will come out. Now it is held in with electrical cables. You'll need to push the center pin and pull it back towards the front of the car, and there is one earthing cable on the side of the unit. You'll need to take that out as well, and they can all just sit there till your radio goes to Supertech Electronics for repair.